Do you still remember those days when you were still around 8 years old? No problem. No idea of using gadgets. Just making memories with our childhood friends. Fun, right? I know nostalgia sometimes hit us, but we can't go back to the past and revive those memories. But have you ever wondered what life would be without the influence of social media? It would be peaceful, indeed peaceful. According to Commission on Population, too much social media exposure is partly to blame for the alarming rise in teenage pregnancies in the country.
As stated in UNFPA Philippines, the Philippines has one of the highest teenage pregnancy rates among the Asian member states. More than 500 adolescents are becoming pregnant and giving birth every day. These mistakes are made because of using a free will the wrong way.
Social media is one of the factors. Exposure to pornography has been high, especially in 2021. Popcom Knowledge Management and Communication Division Acting Chief Mylene Correa said during the Bagong Pilipinas public briefing.
Paano ba ang buhay nyo noong wala ka pang inaalagaan na anak?
Diyan lang sa bahay.
Ilang taong ka nagkaanak?
15.
Nasusustentuhan ba ng ama ang pangangailangan nyo?
Tuwing linggo.
Ano yung mga binibigay niya sa'yo? O andyan ba yung asawa mo?
Wala.
Ano po yung mga binibigay o pinapadala sa inyo?
Pera.
Dumaan ka ba sa madaming pagsubok nung ikay ng anak? Ang mga ano pong mga halimbawa?
Mahirap manganak. Tapos mahirap mag-alaga.
Nakakapag-aral ka pa ba ngayon po?
Hindi. Grade 9 lang natapos ko.
Thank you po.
Childbearing in adolescence carries increased risk for poor health outcomes for both mother and child, and lower educational attainment and employability, causing economic losses to the country.
May mga case na po na teenage pregnancy dito sa
Meron. Actually, marami siya. Actually.
Ano pong masasabi ninyo sa teenage pregnancy?
Yung trend kasi ng teenage pregnancy ngayon talaga is dumadami talaga siya, and then paano siya babata siya ng pabata. So kung before, ang age na teenage natin, usually yung puntes ay 16. Ngayon kasi may mga cases na tayo lower 16.
Ano po ang maaari natin gawin upang maiwasan?
Actually, ang usually lang naman na ginagawa is advocacy lang. Health advocacy lang talaga, lalo na sa mga schools ngayon. Puro health education, yun lang yung pwede natin gawin, advice sa mag-seek din tayo ng consult sa mga parents na i-assist tayo sa pagbabantay or sa pag-educate ng mga bata or ng mga anak.
Teenage pregnancy can be prevented through a combination of education, access to contraception, and creating a supportive environment for young people.
What does the Bible say about teenage pregnancy?
Yung nabuntis ka na hindi kayo kasal. Yun yung masasabi natin kasalanan.
Hebrews 13:4 states, "Let marriage be held in honor among all, and let the marriage bed be undefiled, for God will judge the sexually immoral and adulterous." Means that sexual relationship should be reserved for the marital relationship and should not be engaged in outside of marriage or with any defilement.
The use of irresponsible freedom may result consequences in our daily life. Thus, think first before making a decision, because one mistake could change everything.
We should never be influenced by anything we see online, nor in person. Think what is right and do what is right.
Tom Stoppard once said, "If you carry your childhood with you, you never become older. Enjoy your childhood and teenage years. Never rush it."